Hi and welcome to Integrate 2012. My name is Joey Dean. I work with Crestron Tech Support based in Canberra. We're going to have a look at the energy management lighting range supplied by Crestron, DIN rail in particular being very popular in Australia. As the products you can see on the wall here, we have our DIN rail 2 series processor, effectively exactly the same as the normal rack mounted units that you will find, but specifically designed to be able to bolt directly in with the lighting equipment that you've got going into your house, residential or commercial installation. The second unit that we've got, DIN DALI 2, is a 2-universe DALI controller to be able to control up to 128 DALI interfaces as part of a single control unit. Next units we've got going across is our fluorescent controller, 0 to 10 volt with embedded relays, and the last one is our 2 motor controller 4-wire system, so a common active for up and down to be able to control 2 motors up to about 350 watts per motor. 2 dimming units. The first of the units is a universal which supplies both leading and trailing edge controls to what we want to do. Next one is a 4 universal 4 control unit as well. The big benefit that we've got with our DIN rail units is we can do 5 amps per channel or 10 amps across the box, balanced however you just like you want to do it. Next 2 units are 8 channel relays, 5 amps on full inductive, 10 amps if you're doing resistive, 16 amps as the maximum load on each of the channels. We do have differences in the units. The first option gives us the ability to be able to have digital inputs coming into the unit as well. The rest of the units go through and give us an expansions options for inputs and output, analog output unit, digital input, a hub splitting unit to make sure that we maintain the Crestron's preferred 20 Cres net devices per universe, a DIN block which effectively comes a central patch point, and of course a DIN rail power supply unit to be able to play all the gear that's in the unit. One of the things that's just been released as part of the Crestron lighting range is primarily used for retrofit, but also can be used for very difficult to get to locations. Runs on Crestron's patented Infinite EX technology, so it's a Zigbee based or a Zigbee similar wireless communication protocol. We have a 300 watt inline universal dimmer, a box that gives us 2 switched outlook channels and a 0 to 10 volt control unit that will allow you to control fluorescent lights, LED dimming to be part of particularly a retrofit system. The rest of the range we've got is a full range of sensors for the units, both dual technology, passive infrared, standalones, and there's certainly a range of new cameo faceplates. The primary options that we've got now is what we call Clarity, which can be a clear plastic. We've also got full brass metal finished units. My particular favourite for the lighting at the moment is the new Cameo Flush range. No screws to mount, cut the gyprock particularly close to what you need to do, but they're a very sleek, elegant and a very small form factor to be able to get to the controls. Hope you enjoy the rest of your time at Integrate. This is Joey for Crestron Tech Support. Thank you.